Hi there guys, and welcome to the Watch channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Pagani Design model, which is the PD 1644. As you can see, it is a homage to the Rolex Daytona and contains a VK63 movement from Seiko. So it's a Mecha-Quartz, which obviously aids towards bringing that price down. While we're talking at price, you can have this for there or thereabouts $100 Australian, possibly even less if there are coupons and so on and so forth from AliExpress. But like I say, very, very nice homage to the Daytona. And if that's a style that you like, then certainly do consider one of these watches. I'll put the specifications up for you, as in the the dimensions, so you can take a look. But for your $100, you get a Sapphire Crystal, 100 meters of water resistance. Like I say, that VK63 Mecha-Quartz movement, which is manufactured by Seiko, so it's a good quality movement. You get screw-down crowns. As you can see there on the dial, the Mecha-Quartz movement sees that central seconds hand running much the same as what you would find on a automatic or manual chronograph. And yeah, very aesthetically pleasing. You do get this ceramic bezel. Say Sapphire Crystal, no anti-reflective unfortunately, but the reflective aspect isn't too bad. I think you can see that there. You do get a nice stainless steel case, bracelet with that two-tone finishing, much the same as you would find on the original Rolex Daytona. A nice double lock security clasp, which is signed with Pagani Design. Now, the watch does have C3 Lume applied to those hour markers and the hour, minute and second hand. As I've sort of said before, the Lume on this watch is not fantastic, but it's not entirely terrible either. I think there's only so much you can do with hour markers this small and filled with C3. So look, it'll get you by, but it's certainly not in the same standard as what you might find from obviously either the original Rolex Daytona nor something like a Seiko. But like I say, it'll get you by, and this watch is very, very legible as it is anyway. You can see there you do have that date window down at the 4:30 position, which is quite nice that it matches the dial with that white background. Now, talking about the bracelet, like I say, it is stainless steel with screwed links, double security locking clasp, and solid end links, whether you can see that or not. But I think that's fantastic at this particular price point. Anyway, guys, look, I hope that you found this watch review of use, or I suppose a quick look at. Like I say, if you do have any questions, please do put them in the comment section. If you do like the content, then please do feel free to subscribe, and that would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, guys, I wish you all the best. Have a fantastic rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.